Cars here in Leeds, and today we have another hand-selected vehicle to introduce you to. So here we have in front of you a Mercedes-Benz A45 AMG Premium. As we walk around the exterior of the car, you'll see this one comes finished in the AMG Black Leather Interior. Just 47,074 miles. The car comes with 65 pounds optional factory fitting extras, including the Premium package of £1,895 and the AMG Night Package of £1,595. Cosmos black metallic paint, as you can see, costs £575. And as we go to the interior of the car, the quality, the standard, the presentation and the condition continues. The beautiful contrast red stitching there. And have a look in the front. So this particular model comes with the front heated seats, the satellite navigation, that fantastic AMG steering wheel there. On the door card we have the 3-stage electric memory seats. And as we look up there, we've got the full sliding glass panoramic sunroof with the electric sun blind as well. Absolutely phenomenal car in a beautiful colour. And there we have Mercedes-Benz A45 AMG Premium. Thank you ever so much for watching the video. I hope it's been of some use and we look forward to speaking to you soon.